Hi, welcome to the Silver Mountain Productions YouTube channel. We feature clips from our Telly Award-winning documentary video on Rhodochrosite and the Sweet Home Mine in Colorado. The original DVD video has been upscaled to high definition and 4K resolution. You can use the link in the description to purchase the full video as a digital download. Please subscribe to our channel and like and share any videos that you find interesting. Please check back. We will be posting other videos including previously unreleased Sweet Home videos. More rockhounding adventures, lightning videos, and tutorials on using AI to generate YouTube videos are also candidates to be added. Leave comments if you have questions or requests. Enjoy the channel. If you are thinking about buying a new Tesla vehicle, we have a referral link in the channel description. Using that link can save you up to $1,000.